Well, the project was called Animated Voices. It was made with a group of young people from Butetown and Grangetown areas in Cardiff. We work with an organisation called East, who work with young people from diverse backgrounds. We wanted to do an animation about their ideas about life in the UK. So they all had little stories to tell. We recorded them telling their stories, then they animated themselves, and then they kind of did lip sync, kind of talking animation, and then we cut that together with the voices.
My name is Hasib. I have never visited my home country.
The other purpose of the film, I would say, was to introduce them to the media world. We had a designer who came up from London, Derek Maudoku, and we had an actress who from Cardiff, and then we had Mitra Sani as a scriptwriter, and she talked about writing. So they experienced different aspects of the filmmaking process, and then the outcome was this short film. We also visited Guerrilla Studios as well to see how films were made. The idea was to maybe get them to think that there could be careers in this, something they may not have thought about. Just in their area, there was a possibility for them to take this further. I think it succeeded, actually, in that way. We entered the finished film to something called Interfilm Awards. We all went up to London and we went up to Leicester Square, the Odeon, and they all piled into the cinema and we won an award, 11 to 19 Best Animation, and Hugh Grant gave us the award. So it was all, very glitzy, and I think it really gave them a real boost. For us, it was quite good as an organisation to focus on sort of diversity. It would be nice to build on that, really, because there's definitely interest there in that community, because the parents also saw that there was serious, potential. There was something in our organisation, I think, anyway. It highlighted, what we needed to focus on, how to bring out that anti-racist kind of message, using animation